In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide TeamViewer to tray menu. By the end, closing the TeamViewer window won't shut it down. It will quietly move to your system tray so it stays running in the background. This is perfect if you want quick access without cluttering your desktop, and it helps keep remote connections available even when the main window isn't visible. First, open the TeamViewer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main dashboard. If you see the home or remote control screen, you're in the right place. Next, look to the top right of the TeamViewer window and click the gear icon. That gear opens the settings panel. If your window is small and you don't see it, try maximizing the app so the top bar is fully visible. Inside settings, choose advanced settings. This section groups options that affect how the app behaves behind the scenes, including what happens when you close the window. Now click Open Advanced Settings. In some versions of TeamViewer, the detailed options are tucked behind this button to prevent accidental changes. Clicking it expands the full list so you can access the setting we need. Find the option called Close to Tray menu and enable it. Turning this on changes the default close behavior. When you click the X to close the window, TeamViewer won't quit, it will minimize to the tray. On Windows, the system tray is the area near the clock at the bottom right. You may need to click the small up arrow to see hidden icons. On macOS, think of the tray as the menu bar icons at the top right. With this enabled, the TeamViewer icon will remain there, indicating the app is still running. This is especially helpful if you rely on unattended access or want to reconnect quickly without relaunching the app. Finally, click OK to save your changes. OK applies the setting immediately, no restart required. From now on, when you close the TeamViewer window, don't be surprised if it seems to disappear. It's simply moved to the tray, ready when you need it. To bring it back, just click the TeamViewer icon in the tray. If you ever need to fully exit the program, use the tray icons menu to quit rather than the Windows X. That's all there is to it. You've configured TeamViewer to hide to the tray instead of closing, keeping your workspace cleaner while ensuring remote access stays available in the background. Thanks for watching and enjoy a tidier desktop with faster access to TeamViewer.